This morning, top U.S. officials sounding the alarm. Americans need to be careful this Labor Day weekend or risk kickstarting a surge of coronavirus cases in the fall.
Labor Day is coming up, and we need to stress personal responsibility.
On Tuesday, HHS Assistant Secretary Admiral Giroir talking to reporters.
Have to go into the fall with decreasing cases like we're doing now. We can't risk a lack of personal responsibilities.
His warning coming after Dr. Anthony Fauci reportedly told a White House meeting of governors that the holiday will determine if the U.S. is able to get a running start in battling the disease this fall. Coronavirus cases and hospitalizations are down nationwide since their peak in July, but officials are hoping to prevent another uptick, like the one seen after Memorial Day when social distancing guidelines were ignored at pool parties like this one at the Lake of the Ozarks. And after the 4th of July, when people flock to crowded beaches to escape the summer heat, dangerous new outbreaks in states like Iowa are already raising concerns about the next few months. There, the 3 counties with the highest number of coronavirus cases have large college populations. Some are now calling for routine random testing of students and staff, including New York public schools, where the start date of in-class learning has been pushed back. All of this comes as researchers from Oxford University and drug maker AstraZeneca become the latest team to enter the final round of testing for a coronavirus vaccine. Jacob Serrano is the first American to be dosed with either the vaccine candidate or a placebo. 7 members of his family lost their lives to the virus.
Do you think that what you're doing now can prevent future fatalities?
I don't believe anyone deserves to lose their life, especially through a virus that we could have stopped.
This morning, a glimmer of hope after so much heartbreak around the world.
Although this possible vaccine wouldn't be available in time for the fall, researchers hope to know how effective it is by Thanksgiving. If successful, it could be distributed in 4 different phases, with healthcare workers and the vulnerable getting it first. Hoda?
Miguel, there are a lot of people who are out of work, a lot of people facing evictions. You've got some news on maybe a reprieve for them?
Yeah, Hoda, that's right. The CDC is ordering a halt on evictions nationwide through December for people who have lost work during the pandemic and don't have other good housing options. The goal of the new eviction ban is to stem the spread of the outbreak, which the agency in its order says presents a historic threat to public health.
All right,
Hoda.
Miguel Almaguer. Miguel, thank you.